Google Pixel 7 Pro has been leaked again, and this time in an unboxing video. The video suggests the smartphone with a black color and has Google's G emblem stamped on the lower back panel. This is the second time Google's upcoming flagship handset has been seen online, with first being an early hands-on video shared through a YouTuber online. The Google Pixel 7 Pro and its smaller sibling, Google Pixel 7, had been introduced at Google I/O 2022. They will have a similar diagram to the cutting-edge flagships the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. In a video shared through Gadgetful BD, a Bangladesh-based cellular telephone shop, a man unboxes a brand new Google Pixel 7 Pro smartphone in black color variant. The character indicates that the handset has a glass returned and the same visor format as it was teased at the Google I/O 2022. There are two cutouts in the metallic visor. The first cutout has two cameras and the second one is probably fitted with a telephoto camera. The brief video also indicates the smartphone with Google's G logo on the back. The man or woman in the video also switches on the smartphone and the boot display shows Google's professional animation sequence, followed via a machine setup screen. Apart from this, there is no extra shareable data from the video. This is the second time at least one smartphone of the Google Pixel 7 series has been leaked in a video online. Earlier this year, YouTube channel Unbox Therapy teased online both the models of the early developer versions of Google smartphones. The telephones have been only viewed with the bootloader display, and the YouTuber also shared some hardware specs as nicely as graph aspects of the two Google smartphones. At Google I/O beforehand this year, Google revealed that it will launch the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. It showcased the diagram of each the smartphones. The Pixel 7 sequence is validated to debut in the coming months, and they will share a comparable visor graph as the Google Pixel 6 series. Google will additionally launch the Pixel Watch,